throwing this out there about the pyramids and how it operated with the Big Bang. Now, similarities. Okay, now it's an open system. The universe is a closed system with finite energy inside space, which is an open system. Okay, that's a thermodynamic system inside another system. This is what this is. This is a large thermoelectric generator with a hot and a cold. But the Ark of the Covenant was the hot, okay? But it has a hot and a cold on it, okay? So inside it, with the solid state physics, the elements you're actually using, the 369, with lithium fluoride and carbon and gold. I mean, obviously its settings, it's a thermoelectric capacitor. It's a radioisotope thermoelectric generator. So it's got nuclear energy and electric energy, okay? But you have thermodynamics and equilibrium here inside another equilibrium. See what I'm saying? This is hot, okay? It's got a hot and a cold. There's radium in it, alpha particles, okay? And you're using electrons and alpha particles, all right, to create an arc here. Now, this arc is going to be fusing hydrogen into lithium, okay, with alpha particles. So the alpha particles and the hydrogen together are going to make lithium. But right now, this is about the thermodynamics of it. All right, now you have quartz. Quartz is very important in thermodynamics, and so is fluorite. Now, fluorite can literally, when it's doped with fluorite is quartz and fluorine. So it's a crystal that really likes electrons, put it that way, all right? And if you have a cold side, which is the sarcophagus, and the hot side, which is the ark will literally feed itself. See, the hot ark keeps itself fed as the cool side cools it. And at the same time, it's using that whole chamber as a hot when you have a cold chamber here. And the quartz and the thermoelectric properties of the pyramid literally helps it harness and focus this energy in the queen's chamber, because that's where the cold goes. When you have thermoelectric generators, everything tries to work toward the cold, and that's where your energy comes from. And this energy is literally being transferred to something that's gone, the capstone, and it transferred it wirelessly using thermodynamics, nuclear and electric energy, alpha and omega. So when it talks about the alpha and the omega in the Ark of the Covenant, that's really no joke. Nuclear and electric energy are how literally everything in the universe works. And when it comes down to stars, the Big Bang, and such, there's always the nuclear and electric energy. Not to mention the nuclear and electric energy in living beings. So just like a transmitter and a receiver, which is basically what a Tesla coil and a radio are, okay, it has all the same parts. So you have a thermoelectric generator with a larger thermoelectric generator around it, which is a closed system inside an open system, because this literally connects and distributes to the atmosphere and everything, which is wirelessly, which is basically an infinite open system because it's through the air, it's space, the whole area of space. So you have your open system. So you have an open system with a closed system inside it. And it literally is self-perpetuating because it feeds itself with its own heat. Not to mention the energy that it receives, because it's designed just like a radio, a crystal radio, and has all the same parts like the capacitor. That's the Ark of the Covenant. It's got the ground, it's got its hot. Ironically, in designs they use this as a hot, the antenna, which is just what ironic things. And it's like a Tesla coil with the transmission, okay, because it has both the same parts.